Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to see saved password on your Google Chrome browser. Then I will show you the easy method to see and manage and edit any password saved on your Google Chrome browser. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Google Chrome browser. Then guys, on the top there is three dots. Then hit on these three dots. Then guys, scroll down to settings section. Then click on settings. As you see guys, go on the toolbar on the left side, then go on the second one and click on autofill. Then click on autofill. As you see guys, on autofill on the top there is password manager. Then guys, go and click on password manager. As you see guys, this is all your website that you logged in your Google Chrome browser. Then guys, this is all your password saved on your Google Chrome browser. Then if you want to see your password or edit or manage the password, just for example this one, the first one, aliexpress.com. then guys, this is your username. You can copy the username and also the password. Then if you want to see your password, just click on this eye icon or you can copy the password. Then for hitting and clicking on copy, then guys, the last there is edit or delete. Then if you want to edit the password, just click on edit. Then automatically it's give you the access to edit the password. Then you can add the note. Then hit on save. Then automatically the password it will edit it and save it again on your Google Chrome browser. As you see guys, this is the easy method to see all your password on your Google Chrome browser and edit any password on your Google Chrome browser. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.